To create course from your own YouTube channel, you need to add in the edit mode your channel ID, and then each tutorial will search for relevant videos on your channel. You can generate tutorial with AI as usual, and you can generate tutorial from the content of your video with your explanations, with your terms and your vocabulary. So we will select this option and click to the Generate Tutorial from your video button. So firstly, AI collects subtitles of the video and then generate on top of this information description and step-by-step guide. We've got the description about all terms that we explained in our video previously. Also, there are a lot of examples and different terms. And we also got like a plan on top of which we will create descriptions, different practical tasks or quizzes or other content. Let's try to create something from this content. We will generate the description. I can create quiz. I can create practical challenge. And also I can request additional video on this topic. Another interesting thing is that I can generate course from this video in any other language, for instance, German. I select language in the menu, and then, as you can see, the whole description and step-by-step guide will be generated in German, despite the fact that this video was created in English.